Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Zilliqa. What's the current price of the Zilliqa? What's the price in so in the Zilliqa? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Let me show you, friends, the latest update of the Zilliqa on the screen, friends. Now the latest price of the Zilliqa on the screen, you can see here 0.14426 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Zilliqa in the market. And on the other side, if you look the price is occurring in the Zilliqa, so the pricing is going wrong. But I hope that they will again become positive and they will again positive. Last 1 hour pricing is negative, last 1 day pricing is only positive, except of the last 1 day, the last 1 hour and last 1 week pricing changes occur in the Zilliqa is going wrong, friends. Let me show you, friends, the more details about the Zilliqa on the screen. You can see here in the previous time Zilliqa take a good jumps. You can see here I really like this jump of the Zilliqa. Zilliqa start moving upward in the yesterday, but unfortunately in the last 1 hour, you can see here the falling time of the Zilliqa starts now, friends. So you can see here that is the temporary fast and that is the short fast. You can see here at this time the jump in the Zilliqa, and after this jump the fast down for a short time. You can see here at this time also jump in the Zilliqa, and now they are again fast down. You can see here, let me draw the chart. Take a jump, fast down for a later time, again take a jump, fast down for a later time, and again jumps, friends. This kind of change continue in Zilliqa in the future, friends. So don't worry about this. That is the temporary fast, friends. Let's see the latest update. The last 24 hours price changes occur in the Zilliqa. Positive 20.96%. The price is changed is going positive in the 20 and the last 24 hours. And the highest price of the Zilliqa is 0.150133 USD dollar is the highest price of the Zilliqa in the last 1 day and the last 24 hour, friends. So my prediction about Zilliqa is positive, and I believe that the Zilliqa will take a good jump in the future, friends. What do you think? I believe as I draw on the chart that they will fast down for a little time. After some passage of time, they will again explode and they will again take a jump, friends. So my prediction is 100% positive about Zilliqa. What is your prediction and what is your opinion about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.